Let me go straight to the point and show you what you need to seal a mice hole or rat hole. So you need steel wool, you need cement in a tube like this, you need a cement gun, mortar gun, sealant, and a thin screwdriver to poke the steel wool in. Right, that's everything. Let's get started. So this is what I want to seal, permanently seal where mice are getting in. I put the steel wool in between the gap here, so you poke it in with the screwdriver just like this until it's fully in and secure. So I'm just poking it in now, getting it in position. So I've got it all in position now. So now I get my cement and then I squirt it in the steel wool, so when the mice or rat they chew, they cannot take it out. So mice, they hate steel wool because it hurts their teeth, but with this it does the job. As you can see, I fast forward everything, I smoothed it out with my finger, and that's how it looks like, guys. That's the end result. I hope this video has helped you. Please browse through my other videos.